Hi, welcome to the exit ticket. So by now you have gone through the warm-up, the lesson, and the 4 different activity slides. So you should know exactly what's going on at this point. So now you know how to zoom in, and we're going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to read number 1. Which of the following are true statements about the net below, this net right here? So you're going to read these statements and you're going to decide which ones are true or false. So for instance, the net represents a triangular prism. The area of the base is area equals length times width. The net represents a triangular pyramid, or the base of the figure is a triangle. So you're going to go through all of those and you're going to decide which ones are correct. A is 1 only, B is 3 only, C is 1 and 4, D is 2 and 3. Whichever one you decide is true. Now I have this show your work here box, but there really isn't anything that you really need to show. You're going to take this check mark and you're going to drag it to the one that you believe is correct. So if you think it's A, you're going to drag it to A. If you think it's B, you're going to drag it to B. Again, for C, you're going to drag it to C, and make sure that we can see exactly where it's being checked, and you're going to drag it where it belongs, and then you're going to go on to the problem that's below. So that would be number 1. Number 2, you're going to find the surface area of the figure below, which means you need to find the surface area of all of these triangles and the rectangle in the middle. Once you find the area for each shape, the 4 triangles and the rectangle, you need to add them together and you will get one of these answers here. Again, you're going to drag the check mark to which one is correct. At that point, you are then done with your exit ticket. I also just want to make clear that all exit tickets will be part of the grade, and so they do need to be completed. They're not optional. Actually, none of the things in here are optional, but I just wanted to make sure you knew that.